Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are Ola Electric delays delivery of its electric scooters. Nirmala Sitharaman aims to turn Gift City into global financial hub with the help of startups. Google's ongoing search for the right bet in India. Now the news in detail are Ola Electric has pushed back delivery timelines for S1 and S1 Pro electric scooters, informing customers who have booked the vehicles that it would begin deliveries only in the second half of December due to the global chip and electronics shortage. The Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman suggested that the Gujarat government should engage with leading startups, not just those belonging to the fintech space, which will help to create an ecosystem for a global financial hub in the gift city. As Google wrapped up its flagship India event, it's clear that the country's thriving technology ecosystem could expect increased investor interest from the company as the search giant gets set to plow in more capital through local partnerships. Corporates are looking outwards for smart solutions and collaborating with startups to find answers to some of their pressing challenges on the rise. Many startups are getting a chance to exhibit their tech knowledge and scale up solutions. The Finance Ministry has notified a uniform 12% GST rate on the man made fiber, yarn, fabrics, and apparel, thereby addressing the inverted tax structure in the MFF textile value chain. PepsiCo is calling Middle East and North Africa based entrepreneurs to join its sustainability focused accelerator program called MENA edition of $300K Startup Accelerator. Anand Mahindra, in his tweet called NeoMotion, a company dedicated to providing greater mobility to those with disabilities, and announced that he plans to support them. Delhi NCR based logistics unicorn Delivery, which is awaiting SEBI nod for its IPO, has allotted 12,17,500 equity shares worth rupees 230.8 crores to 87 current and former employees. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated the Centre for Nanotechnology and the Centre for Indian Knowledge System at IIT Guwahati. Union Minister Narayan Rane launched the Special Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme for the services sector at Guwahati. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.